Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing with you all my recipe for Tim Sam, also known as Sui Mai, and some people call it dim sum. It's just one type of dim sum. So this one is going to be really easy to put together. We're starting off with our minced shrimp, and to that I'm adding in minced pork. You can use chicken in place of the pork, or you can use turkey, or you can use all shrimp. In goes scallion chopped, some chopped water chestnuts, about a tablespoon of oyster sauce. If you put a little extra, that's okay. Next, we're going to flavor it with some garlic and ginger soy sauce. In goes white pepper or black pepper. I prefer using white, but I didn't have any on hand. I'm seasoning with salt, and in goes cornstarch. The cornstarch is what's going to help hold this filling together and help it to bind. So you want to give this a good mix, and once it's mixed in properly, the next step would be to fill our dumplings. So I'm using round wrappers for this. If you cannot find round wrappers, a person recently shared with me that she took the square wrapper and used a cookie cutter to cut it round. So thank you so much, Marlene, for sharing that with us. And I'm adding about 2 teaspoons of the filling to my dumpling wrappers. Now these wrappers, you can get it from Mr. Spiceno. I'll leave his information in the description box if you're in Trinidad. And if you're here in Florida, I got it at Food Town Supermarket. You check your Asian supermarkets for it. Now what I did was I just moistened the ends, and you're going to bring it up together to form this pouch shape. So I'm going to show you guys one more, and I'm using banana leaves here to place it on. You can also use cabbage leaves. You guys can put more filling if you like. It all depends on how much you want. The more filling you put, the longer it's going to take to steam. So you see I wet the ends, and I'm bringing it up to form that flower and pouch shape that it's known for. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to make the rest of them. Now once you're finished making them, what you're going to do is, I like taking a piece of red sweet pepper and placing it on the top in the middle. You can also use a red pimento piece of pepper, and then cover, and we're going to steam this over a pot of boiling water. Make sure you have enough water in your pot, and let it go for about 40 minutes. I'd link this steamer down in the description box for anyone who's interested in getting one. After 40 minutes, they would be done and they would be perfectly cooked. All you have to do now is enjoy them while they're hot with the same soy sauce or a dipping sauce that I recently posted on my channel. So I'll also link that for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you make it, comment down below and let me know what you think. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.